Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Operation with Large Numbers. Now let's check our recall exercise. In recall exercise, E main divide 480 divided by 4. Page number is 12. Now 480 divided by 4. So 4 here, 480. Division is a repeated subtraction of a number. When dividing numbers mean the quantity will be decreases. And in other words, division is a method of grouping. Okay. The division is a method of distributing a group of things into a equal parts. It's one of the 4 basic operation of arithmetic which gives a fair result of sharing things. Means it is a method of distributing a group of things, or in a short form, division is a repeated subtraction of. Now this is dividend, and second number is divisor. Now 4 and the answer is called the quotient. 480 divided by 4. So first we have to check whether we can consider first number one digit. Yes, because 4 equal or greater than number we can divide it. So 4 one digit number. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. I am bringing this 8 down. Okay. Then 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. Minus means 0. Now this 0 we have a value. One method we can directly take this 0 into here or bring down that 0. Now 4 how much are? This 0 don't have a value, but the carry over the above 0 bring down this 0 we have a value. 4 how much are 0? 4 zeros are 0, because 0 we took from the question. 4 zeros are 0. Answer is 120. Or we can directly keep this 0 up. Directly write this 0 into up, because this is inside the question. It is in the question. Next is 6792 divided by 11. 6792. In which table it will? Whether we can take one single digit 6? No, because 6 is less than 11. It should be equal or greater. So we have to take 2 digit, means 67. So 11 how much are nearer to 67? 11 6 are 66 and 11 7s are 77. 77 is greater than this number. So we can take 11 6 are 66. That is the nearer one. Minus him. 7 minus 6 is 1 and take only 9. Okay. Now 11 how much are nearer to 19? 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. So 11 ones are 11 we can take. Minus 9 minus 1 is 8. Then bring these 2 down. 82. 11 how much are nearer to 82? 11 sevens are 77. Minus means 12 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. 5. So remainder is here. 5 here we can stop it. Remainder is 5 and quotient is 617. Again we can continue with the decimal point also. So here we can stop it. 617. Our next number is 3960 divided by 3. 3960. Whether we can take only 3 first number, one digit? Yes. Equal or greater we can take now. 3 ones are 3. Okay, only one digit. Minus 3 minus 3 is 0 and bring 9 down. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. It is directly dividing with 3 ones are table. Minus 9 minus 9 is 0. Again bring this 6 here. 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. Minus means 0. Now we can directly write this 0 up, or we can bring down. Okay, we can bring down this 0. This 0 have a value because this is from the question. not from the remainder. This 0 doesn't have any value because this is a remainder from the subtraction. This 0 from the question, so we can directly write this 0 up, or we can consider as a number. 3 how much is 0? 3 zeros are 0. Okay, this is the answer. So our quotient is 1320 and remainder is 0. Next question, children. 3089 divided by 16. This is a divisor, dividend. Now 3 we can't take because less than 16. So 2 digit 30. 16 2s are 32. So we can't take. Now 16 1s are 16. That is nearer to 30. Minus remainder is 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 14. 16 how much are 14? Because very less number, less than 16. Again we have other numbers to carry down. So better carry down one number, 8. Now 148. Now 16 how much are nearer to 148? 16 10s are 160 and 16 9s are 144. 9s are 144. Minus 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0. And bring this 9 down. 49. 16 how much are nearer to 49? 16 3s are 48. 49 minus 48 is 1. So remainder is 1. Remainder is 1 and quotient 193. Quotient is 193. This is the answer. Here also we can put decimal point and continue. If decimal point means we get 0 1 0. Remainder become 1 0. But 10 is not enough to continue. So we require one more 0 means we have to deposit 1 0 there up. Then we get one more 0. And 16 how much are nearer to 100? 16 6 are 96. It will go on. That is called the recurring and irrecurring decimal numbers are there, recurring and irrecurring. So we can stop here, or with the decimal, without decimal point also we can stop. Answer is quotient is 193 or 193.06. Now exercise 2.5. Work out the following division sums. Page number is 16, children. First question, 3426 divided by 22. Okay, 3022, 3426. Now in which table? So here we can't take only 3 less than 22. So we have to consider 34. 22 how much are 34? 22 1s are 22. 22 2s are will be 44. 2 1s are table, just double it. Okay. 2 2s are 4, no? So 2 times 4. 2 3s are 6 means 2 times 6. Okay. Otherwise we can write the tables here, multiply and write. Then we can calculate it. 22 minus in 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 12, 22 how much is 12? We can subtract, divide it, borrow 1 from here. So 2, 122. 22 how much is nearer to 122? 22 5 is 110. Okay, 25, 22 6 is greater than this number. 22 5 is 110. So 110 minus 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 12 again and borrow 6 down. Borrow this 6 down. 126. Again we can consider 22 5s are 120. 110. 110. Minus means we get 16 as a remainder. So this is remainder and quotient is 155. Quotient is 155. Now next question, 4896 divided by 30, divisor is 30. We can write and keep children the tables. 30 zeros are 0, 30 ones are 30, 32s are 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6. Just multiply and write, okay. 33s are 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, 34s are 3 fours are 12, no, and 1 0. Now 2 digit 48. We have 30. How much are nearer to 48? 33s are 32s are 60. 60 is greater than 48. So we can take 31s are 30. That only nearer. Minus 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 18. 18 is less than 30 and we have numbers to carry down. So carry one number. Better only one numbers in each step. So that is the easiest method. 30 how much are nearer to 189. 30 how much are nearer to 189. 36 are, because 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So 21 means 210 will come. So which is a nearer? 36 are 3 6 are 18. No? So 36 are 180. 180 is a nearer to this number. 9 is a remainder. And bring 6 down. 30 how much are nearer to 96. 34 is a 120. So which is a nearer? 33 is a. 33 is a 90. Remainder is 6. So this is a remainder 6 and quotient is 163. Now next question, 1000 third question children, 1489 divided by 43. So 43, 1489. In which tables? So we can't take 2 digit because 14 is less than 43. So we have to take 3 digit number, 148. The 43 how much are 148? 43 is 4 is 172. That is a greater than 148. So we can consider 43 3 is 43 3 is 129. That is nearer to 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now here 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Subtraction. Okay. Now 9 down. 199. How much are nearer to 43? How much are nearer to 199? 43 4s is greater than 199. So nearer is 43 4s. 43. I am written tables here children. 43 4s is 172. That is a nearer one. Minus 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 7 is 2. So 27 is a remainder. This is a remainder and quotient is 34. Third question, 3876 divided by 29. 3876. Now 29 how much? We can take 2 digit 38. Nearer is 29 ones are 29. 29 twos is greater than 38. So 29 ones are 29 minus. You can write and keep tables. Multiply and write and keep. 18 minus 9 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. And bring one number down. 29 how much are nearer to 97. So 29 into 4 will check. 4 9 is 36. 3. 4 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 116. So 160 is greater than 97. So 29 3s are. 29 3s are is 87. So 29 3s are nearer. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 10. Okay, one more number is there. Bring that number down. If no number means we can consider 0. 29 zeros are 0 and 10 has a remainder. 106. So which is a nearer again? 29 4 is 116. That is a greater than this number. So we can again consider 29 3s are 87. Minus means subtraction means 19 is a remainder. This is remainder. 19 is remainder and quotient is 133. This is the answer children. 133 is the answer. Now fifth question, 9997 divided by 82. So 82 here, 9994. Okay. Now 98 we can take because 98 is greater than 82. So 2 digit. 82 how much 98 exact or nearer we have to check. So 82 ones are 82, 82 twos are 164. 164 is greater than this number. So we have to take nearer one, that is 82 ones are 82 minus 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 16 and bring 1 9 down, 169. 82 how much are nearer to 169 or exact. 82 3s are 246, this is the tables. 246 is greater than this, so nearer is 164. So that is the 82 2s are 164 minus means 9 minus 4 is 5 and bring that last number 4 down, 54. 82 how much are 54 and no more number to carry down. Okay, no more number to carry down or so 54. 82 how much are 54? 82 ones are 82. 82 is greater than this. We can't take 82 ones are greater than. So we have to consider 82 zeros are 0 and 54 is 54 minus 0 is 54. Remainder is 54 and quotient is 120. Quotient is 120. Remainder is 54. Now sixth question, 6831 divided by 71. So 71 is a divisor, 6831. We don't know how 71 ones are tables. We have to write and keep at side, or we can calculate at each step. Now 68, whether we can take 68? No, we can't take 68. Reason is 68 is less than 71. It should be equal to that divisor or greater. So we can't take 68. Take 3 digits. So this is 683. Now check 71 how much are nearer to 683. 71 tens are 710. Okay, so 71 nines are, will check. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, 639. 71 tens are 710, that is greater than this number. So 9 is a near 639 multiplication. Okay, because we don't know table of 71 or 25 or 80. So multiply and check. Otherwise write a table at side. Okay, now here we are multiplying in each step nearer. We are checking. Now 3 minus 9 can't borrow 1 from 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 means 4 and 7 minus 3 also 4. Then bring this one down, 441. 7 how much nearer to 441? 71. 5s are, will check. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 355. So we have to check one more number. That is a 71 6 are. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 426. And 71 sevens are, 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49, 497. 497 is greater than this number. So which is a nearer one? 71 6 are. 71 6 are 426, that is a nearer one. 11 minus 6 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, 15. Okay, 15 is a remainder. No number to carry down here. So we can consider 15 as a remainder. 15 is remainder, children. And quotient is 96. Next number is 7th one, 4831 divided by 54. 4831. 54, 48 we can take? No, we can't take 48 because less than 54. So we have to consider 3 digit, 483. 54 how much? We have to multiply and check. Nearer to 483. So 54 nines is 511. 511 is greater than this number. So 54 eights is 432. Minus means 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. And bring this one down. 511. 54 how much? Nearer to 511. 54 nines we know that 486. Sorry, 486. 54 eights are 432. So 54 nines are 486. Because 54 tens is 540. 540 is greater than this number. So remainder is 25. 25 is a remainder and quotient is 89. Next, eighth one, 3683 divided by 36. 3683 divided by 36. 36 ones are 36. We can consider 2 digit. That is equal number, same number, but still we can divide it. Okay, 36 ones are equal, same number or equal or greater than that, but it should not be less than divisor. So 36 ones are 36. It is dividing at a time. Okay. So remainder is 0 and step is we have to take only one number. In one more step we can take 3 also, but the entire method will be changes. 8 is down, only one number, 8 down. 36 once we carry down one number, then we should not take other number. Now 0 it is less than 36, but still we have to calculate it. Okay, 36 how much are nearer to 8. 36 ones are 36. So 36 zeros are 0. Then it comes 36 ones are 36. Step is we have to carry down only one number. Okay. Don't take two numbers. We can take, that is a different method, alternate method. In this method, it is a safer side. Okay. Bring only one number in each step. Now 8 means zeros are 36 zeros are 0, that is nearer, because 36 ones are 36, that is greater than 8. 0 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. And now bring this 3 down. Now together is 83. 36 summers are nearer to 83. 36 2s are 72 and 36 3s is 90 something. So 36 2s are 72. This is a nearer one. Now 83 minus 72 is 11. So remainder is 11. Remainder is 11 and quotient is 102. Quotient is 102. Remainder is 11. Now exercise 2.6, page number is 17. First question. Work out the following. 62,032 divided by 56. Now next exercise 2.6, page number is 17, children. First question, divide 032 56. Okay, we can write and keep at side, children, tables, and we can try. Or now we can consider 2 digit, because 62 is a greater than 56, so we can take 2 digit. 56 ones are 56, that is a nearer one, minus 12 minus 6 is 6 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Now bring this 0 down. 56 2s is greater than 60, 100 and change will come. So 56 ones are again 56, minus means 4 and bring this 3 down. In each cases we are taking only one digit, children, not two digit, 1 digit. 43. 56 how much are nearer to 43? We can't get 43, because 43 is less than 56, and this step we are taking only one digit. Okay, in this method we are taking only one digit, so we have to consider 56 zeros are 0 and 56 ones are 56, that is greater than this number. So nearer is 0. 56 zeros are 56 zeros are 0, okay, because we are carrying only one number. Now 43 minus 0 is only one digit in each step. We are not taking two numbers, only one digit. For this is a safer side, children. So without any mistake we can find the division with this method. Only one digit. 43 minus 0 is 43. Now bring next number. Each case is only one digit, not more than 1. Now 432 now. 432, 56 tables, 56 summers are 432. 56 tables, 432 means 56. Yes, 56 sevens are 56 sevens is a nearer one. 56 sevens are 392. That is a nearer one. So 220, 40 is a remainder. So in this question, remainder is 40 and quotient is 1107. Answer is 1107. Now next question, second one, 18,325 divided by 43. So 43 is here. Now children, whether we can take for 18, no, we can't take 18 because 18 is less than 43, it should be greater. So consider 3 digit, 183. 43 how much nearer to 183, we have to check. So for 43 4s is 172, 43 4s 172 we got. So this is a nearer one and 5 is greater than 183. 4 is 172 minus 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 111 and bring one number, only one number, okay. Step is only we have to bring one number down. 112. 43 how much are nearer to 112? 129 is greater, so 86. 43 2s are 86, that is a nearer one. 12 minus 6 means 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then only one number we have to get down, 5. 265. 43 5 is 180 something. So 43 6 3 6 18. 258. So this is the nearer one. 43 6 258. 43 is 7 will be 300 and change. Okay, it will be more than this. So 43 6 is a 258. That is a nearer one. Minus means 7 is a remainder. So here remainder is 7 and quotient is 426. Now next question, third question, 69,000 divided by 35. 69,000 divided by 35. Okay. 35 how much nearer to 6 we can't because less. So 35 2 digit, 69 we can consider. 35 how much nearer to 69. 35 2s is greater than that number because 35 2s will come 70 something. So 35 1s are 35. Okay, 70 is greater than. Now 9 minus 5 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3, 34. And bring 1 0, only one number, okay, one number we have to get down. 0 is done. Now 340. 35 tens are 350. We know that 35 tens are 350. So nearer is 35 nines is 315. So that is a nearer one. 350 is greater than 340. So we can't take tens. 35 nines 315. Minus means 25. Now bring this 0, subtract down. Now 250. Okay. Now check 35 8s 8 5s 40. 24 plus is 28. 280. The 35 8s are 280. 280 is greater than 250. So 35 7s are. 35 7s are 245. 35 7s is 245. Minus means 10 minus 5 is 5. 5. Okay. Only 5. Now bring this 0 down. 50. Now 35 how much are nearer to 50? 35 ones are 35, that is a nearer one, minus means again 15 is a remainder. So answer is, remainder is 15 and quotient is how much? 1971. We can write and keep tables at side, or in each cases we can try nearer one, which is a nearer one, and multiply. We can't by head the 35 or 84 2 digit 3 digit tables, large number tables. Next is 76 92,000, the fourth question, 92,031 divided by 76. 76 means here we can't consider only 9 is less than 76, so we have to take 2 digit, that is 92. 92 is greater than 76, so we can check the nearer one. 76 ones are 76, 76 twos is greater than 92, 100 and change will come. So 76 ones are 76, minus means 16 is a subtracted value and 0 is down, 160. 76 twos are 152, that is a nearer. 76 threes is greater than 160 will come. So 76 twos are 152, that is a nearer one. After subtracting, 83 is the answer. Now bring only one digit, okay? We can't take 31. 830. 80. Sorry children. Now 10 minus 2 is 8 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Only 8 is a subtracted value, and bring 3 down. Now 83. 76 ones are nearer is 76 ones are 76, minus means 13 minus 6 means 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Again, now bring this one down. 71. So which is a nearer? 76 ones are no number to carry down. Okay, no number to carry down, and only one number we can take from the given number. So 71 is less than 76. So in which table? 76 zeros are 0 and 76 ones are 76. So 76 is here 71, 76 is greater. So which number we have to consider? 76 zeros are 0. 76 zeros are 0, minus means 71 is a remainder. Okay. So 71 is less than 76 divisor. So we can consider no number to carry down also, and only one number we are carrying. In this matter, only one number, not more than one number. So here 71 is a remainder and quotient is 1210. 1210. Some do it yourself children. So here 5th one is over, 6th one is over, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th is over. I'll just explain with the notes. You first work out yourself, then just check the and verify the answer. Now 5th sum, homework sum, 3,50,925 divided by 56. 3,50,925 and divisor by 56. We can't take only 35 because smaller than this, so we have to consider 3 digit. And nearer is 56 6 336, that is a nearer to 350. 56 7 is greater than this number, so we have to take nearer, or exact number we get means we can consider that the exact number. Now this is a nearer, and subtract this. After subtraction, 14 is a answer. Then bring one number, that is 9. Till here is over. Now one number is 9. And 56 how much are nearer to 149. 56 3s are greater than this number, so 56 2s are, that is 112. Now subtract these two, you get 37 as a answer. Then bring one number, that is 2. Now 372. 56 how much are nearer to 376, that is 56 6 are, 56 7 is greater than 372. So nearer is 56 6 are 336. You can write and keep the tables. Okay, 56 ones are 56 till 7 or 8. Okay, multiply and keep children, otherwise we can't remember this. You can't by head a large, very big number of tables. 336. Now subtraction, after subtraction you get 36 as a remainder. Then bring this 5 down. 365. 56 was nearer to 365. 56 6 because 56 7 is greater than this number. So 56 6 336, and remainder is, after subtraction, remainder is 29. Last year no number to carry down also, and remainder is 29 and quotient is 6266. Now next sixth one, 2,48,932 divided by 45. 45 is a divisor. Okay, now whether we can take only 2 digit? No, we can't take 2 digit because this is less than 45, so we have to consider 3 digit. 248 we have to take, and we have to check, multiply and check 45 6 how much, 45 7 45, or first only we prepare a table of 45 and we can do it. Okay, 45 5 is 225, that is nearer to 248. 45 6 is greater than this number. Okay, so nearer one is 225, and minus, subtract. After subtraction 23 is a subtracted value. Then bring one more number from up, that is 9, 239. Again 45 5 is nearer to 239 because 45 6 is greater than this number. 225 minus this means 14 is a subtracted value. Now bring one more number, that is 3 down, so 143. 45 3 is that is a nearer one, 135, and subtract this. After subtraction 8 is a remainder, and bring 2 down. Now 45 2s is greater than 82. 45 1s 45, remainder is 37. No number to carry over, so last we can keep here, stop here. 37 is a remainder and quotient is 5531. This is a homework sum, that's why I am explaining very quickly. Now 7th question, 1,49,826 divided by 68. 1,49,826 divided by 68. So we 14 we can't take, 14 is less than 68, so we have to take 3 digit, and 68 2s that is a nearer to 149, that is 136, and subtract. You can multiply and check, children. Multiply tables, multiply and write the tables here, or in each step you can check the nearer one. 68 2s subtracted is 13, then bring 8 down, and 138. So 68 2s is 136, that is nearer to 138. 68 3s is greater than this number. Then subtracted 2 is a subtracted value, bring 2 down. Now 22. Only step is we can bring only one number, we can't bring 6, that is another alternate method. So in this method we have to bring only 2 down. Okay, so only 2, so 22 is less than 68, so 68 zeros are 0 we can consider. So 22 minus 0 is 22 only, and now bring 6 down, 226. Now 68 how much are nearer? 68 3 is 204, that is nearer to that number. So remainder is 22 and quotient is 2203. Now next question, 8th one, 8,20,662 divided by 86. So 86 is written here. We can consider 3 digit, we can't take 2. 82 is less than 86. 86 9s are 774. So after subtraction 46 is the answer, and 0 get down, 460 now, and nearer is now 86 5 is 430, that is nearer to 460. Now subtract these two. After subtraction 30 is a remainder, then again bring 6 down, 306. Now 86 3 is that is nearer 258, nearer to 306. So after subtraction 48 is a remainder. Now again bring 2 down. Now 86 5 is that is nearer 430. Then subtract this 2 value, answer is 52. 52 is a remainder, and quotient is 9535. Now 9th question, 61,234 divided by 169. So 169 is a divisor, 61,234. We can't take 2 digit, 61 is less than 169, so we have to consider 3 digit, 612, and we have to check whether it is equal or nearer to 612. So 169 3 is 507, that is nearer to 612. Okay, multiply and check the values, children. Multiply and write it side, then it is easy. Now subtract these two. After subtraction, 105 is a subtracted value. Now bring one more number from the hub, that is 3. Now answer is 1053. 169 6 1114, that is a nearer to 1053. Then subtract. After subtraction, 39 is a subtracted value. Bring 4 down, 394. Now 169 2 is a 338, that is a nearer to 394. Subtract these two. Subtraction. After subtraction, 56 is a remainder and quotient is 362. Now last homework sum, 10th one, 29,030 divided by 248. 29,030, 248. So we have to consider 3 digit, 290. 248 ones are 248. Subtract. After subtraction, 42 is the answer. Bring 3 down, 423. Again we can take 248 ones are 248. Minus it. After minusing, 175 is a subtracted value. And bring 0 down, 1750. Now we have to check the nearer to 1750. There is 248 sevens are 248 sevens is 1736. Subtract, get 14 as a remainder. Now quotient is 117, remainder is 14. Now 11th question, 36,452 divided by 333. Now 364, whether 364 we can divide, yes, because 364 is greater than 333, so we can divide. 333 ones are only, because 333 twos is greater than this number. Now minus it. 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, and bring one number down, 315. 315, only our rule is only one number we have to bring. If less means we have to take 0. Okay, nothing can be done. If less, only one number we can bring down. One more number is that we have to bring only in a next step, second step. So 315 is less than 333. So which number? 333 zeros are. Because 333 ones are 333. 333 is less than this number, greater than this number. So zeros are 333 zeros are 0. Minus means again we get 315 only. Then now bring next number. Only one step, only one number we have to get down. 3,152. So 333 tenza is 3,330. 3,330 is greater than this number. So nearer is 9 only. 3,333 9 size 2,997. That is a nearer one. So we have to consider that number. 9s are 2,997. Subtracted. After subtraction, 155 is a remainder. So remainder is 155. Remainder is 155. Quotient is 109. This is the answer. Now next number, 286 divisor 72 980 is 12th question. Okay, now we can't take 2 digit. 72 is less than 286, so 729. 286 2s is a nearer one, that is 572. Multiply and check, children, otherwise write the tables. Multiply and count 10, write the tables at side. 9 minus 2 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now bring one number, that is 8. Now 1,578. Now we have to check 286 6 are how much? 6 6 are 36. 40, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. 5 carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 21. This is greater than 2,116 is greater than 1,508, 1,578. So which is a nearer? Maybe 286 5s are. 286 5s is 1,430. That is a nearer one. To the 286 6 is 2000 change, that is a greater than this. So nearer is 2430. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 3 4. 5 4 1. Now one number, only one step, one number. Okay, 0, get down. 1480 which is a nearer again, because 286 6 is 2000 change. So 286 5 is 1430, that is only nearer one. 0 5. Remainder is 50. Remainder is 50 and quotient is 255. Quotient is 255. Remainder is 50. Next number is 5,26,002 divided by 374. 5,26,002. Okay, 2 now. So we have to take 52, we can't take less than 370, so we have to take 3 digit, that is 526. 374 into 2 is 600 and change, 600 or 700 and change, that is greater than 526. So 374 ones are 374 minus 6 minus 4 is 2, 12 minus 7 means 5, 1, 4 minus 3 1. Now get down 1 0, 1 0 down. Now 374 5s are, we have to 374 5s are, will check. 5 4s are 25, 35, 35 36 37, 5 3s are 15, 16 17 18. So 374 into 5 is 1875, that is greater than this number. So nearer is 4. So 374 4's is 1496, that is a nearer one. Now 10 minus 6 is 4 and here 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, now 0 0 and bring 1 0 down. 240. 240 is less than 374. We can't do anything because in one step only one number we can get down. Okay, 2 is there, but this method we have to bring only one number down. 2 is there, but we can't take. 240 is less than 374, so we have to take 374 zeros are 0. 374 zeros are 0. So 240 minus 0 is 240 only. Now we can get down 1. Only one step, each step only one number we have to get down. Okay, not more than. Now 2 is down. 2402. So which is a nearer one? 6 374 6 are 2244. That is a nearer to this. Now remainder is 158. Remainder is 158 and quotient is 146. Remainder is 158. Quotient is 1406. You can write 374 tables at side, or each step when you need it we can multiply with 4 or 5 which is nearer and we can check multiply, but we can't by head 374 ones are tables children. 158 is a remainder. Quotient is 1406. Now next question, 5,19,460 divided by 264. 460 divided by 264. So we have to take 3 digit, 590. 264 2s are 500 and change. 500 or 600 and change will come. That is greater than 519. So which is a nearer one? 264 ones are. 264 2s is greater than 519. So nearer is 264. Multiply and check children. So just option is we have to multiply and check. There is only, otherwise write and multiply and keep the table 1 to 5 264 table, or a very 3 digit 4 digit means each step you can multiply and check. 9 minus 4 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 4 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now bring this 4 down, 2554. 264 tens are 2640. Okay, 264 tens are 2640. So nearer to 2554 is 9 only. Okay, 9. 2264 nines is 2376. That is nearer to 2554. Now 14 minus 6 is 7. 14 minus 6 means 8. 4 minus 14 again 14. 14 minus 7 means 7. Now here 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring one number down, that is 6. 1786. So let me check. 264 into which is nearer, we have to check. 7 we try, children. Now 264 into 7 is 1848. 1840 is greater than this number. So nearer is 264 6 only. So 264 6 is 1584 minus means 202 subtraction. Then bring this 0 down. Now 2020. 264 nines is 2376. So next nearer number is 1848 only. This is a nearer. And 264 eights is greater than 2020 will get. Definitely it will be greater than this number. So 264 sevens are, that is 1848. What is the remainder? 172. 172 is a remainder. 172 is a remainder and quotient is 1967. Quotient is 1967 and 1967 is a quotient. Remainder is 172. Now last question, 66,69,987 divided by 100. Yeah, this question we can directly calculate the answer, children. 100 or tens form, no? We can directly calculate the answer. Still random. So here 66 we can't take because 66 is less than 100. So we have to take 3 digit. 106 nearer is 600. 107 is 700. So nearer is 600 minus means 66. 666 minus 600 is 66. Now bring 9 down, 669. Now nearer we have to check. 107 is 700. 700 is greater than this number. So nearer is 6. 106 600. Minus means 69. Bring 1 9 down. Again 107 is 700. So 106 only we have to take. 106 is 600. Minus means 99. Bring 8 down. 100 9s are 900. 100,000 10s are 1000. So nearer is 9s are 900. Minus means 98. Bring this 7 down. Again 100 9s are 900. Minus means 87. 87 is a remainder. This is a remainder. This is 87 is a remainder. And quotient is 66699. 6,666,000. 6,66,000. 66,699. Sorry. 66,699 is the answer.